Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And there is a lot of interesting stuff today which has come up. As you guys know, OnePlus has officially said that they will not be releasing the T series smartphone this year, but they actually are. So instead of the OnePlus 9T or the 9T Pro, we have a OnePlus 9RT. You see, it is a T series smartphone but for the 9R. Today we have our very first official images of the OnePlus 9RT courtesy of Evenblast, so consider them almost 100% accurate. So this is the OnePlus 9RT smartphone. From the back we have the silver color, and this seems mostly just like the OnePlus 9R, but the most noticeable difference is in the camera module. We have triple cameras on the OnePlus 9RT, but the original OnePlus 9R had a quad camera system. I'm not saying that this is a worst camera because having a macro never helped any smartphone, and in the 9R they didn't even stop with a macro, as in addition to that they even had a wasted monochrome camera as well. In here the top two looks like the primary and the wide angle lens, and the bottom camera still does seem like a macro, so yes, it is a bummer that it still exists. Right next to the camera there seems to be a microphone, and over that we have dual flashlights. It also says 50 megapixel. It doesn't say Hasselblad, but it does feature the new 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor. On the right hand side we have the power button and the alert slider with the volume rockers present on the left and the OnePlus logo in the middle of the back. Evenblast also shared images of the front of the 9RT which showed no sign of a hole punch camera, but then the tweet was deleted soon after, so I think the photos were a bit inaccurate, because in real life the OnePlus 9RT will indeed come with a hole punch camera on the top left. The smartphone is supposed to be getting a 6.55 inches 120Hz display and will pack a battery of 4500 mAh, sporting the fastest 65W of wired charging. The smartphone will run Android 12 out of the box and is one of the first ones to do so. As for the brains, we likely will see a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with up to 12 and 256 gigs of storage. The smartphone is set to be unveiled on 13th of October in China, and the global release should follow soon. OnePlus has also teased that they will also be announcing the OnePlus Buds Z2 at the event as well. Let me know guys your thoughts about the OnePlus 9RT. I think this is a good choice to only give the T treatment to the 9R, as the normal 9 and the 9 Pro don't have much left to add. But now we will have to see that would the OnePlus 9RT cut into the sales of the regular 9? I think it actually might. For more videos guys about the OnePlus 9RT, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can also say hi to me on the socials, and with that being said, thanks for watching.